Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to run any model from Hugging Face for cheap. So you're going to go to this website, click on try for free. You're going to create a new organization. I already did, so I'm going to switch to it. You're going to deploy a container group, and then you're going to select Llama CPP. You're going to give it a name. You're going to remove the require container authentication gateway. Enable it only if you need security. And I'm gonna select my model. So I want this one. And I will select the quantization. I'm gonna want only one replica, and I'm gonna edit the configuration. Set it to lowest. Select, for example, a 3060. I will select 16 gigs of RAM, 25 of disk, and only one replica. And then deploy. So now it's preparing, and once it's done, I'm gonna be able to use this endpoint. This endpoint will serve our model. Okay, so now that it's running, you can just copy the URL all the way to the v1, and if you want to use the Python OpenAI SDK, you're just gonna put it on the base URL parameters right here. As you can see, it ends with v1, and you can put an API key if you want to, and yeah, you can just ask the model. Also, the model has to be Llama CPP instead of, for example, GPT-5, and you can use it as normal. You can also use it directly through HTTP requests using the post, and if you enabled API keys, you have to use this one. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you find this video helpful, you can leave a like, and if you have any questions, you can leave a comment. And bye bye.